Hello, it's Travel Tuesday. Oh, just another day for another bite-sized travel tip. I didn't forget my ball, it's here, the bite-sized travel tip. But yeah, so we are going to the Philippines for 2 weeks. So I thought it would be an opportunity to make a video about what I packed for 2 weeks in the hand luggage only. When you're traveling solo, you don't need to like faff around with too many stuff to pack. So the first thing I would advise you to do is to get some compressed packing cubes, because these are the best, so everything can fit in. So here, I will explain what we have in here. So these are like some flip-flops. Don't take flip-flop goes here. These are like, to be honest, I'm not gonna unpack it for you, but I just want to show that it's possible. But this is how you do it. And then you compress with this second zipper. Yeah, up here. So really take the air out of the clothes and make it less voluminous. So this one, I can put it here. So you get them, you can get them in Amazon. I got it with a luggage that I bought before, so you can, as a pack, you can, yeah. And then this is the same here. This is like a few toiletries that I compress as well. That goes here. This is a little yoga towel. It's quite useful all the time, so not bad. You can get them in any camping shop store. Sorry, if you go there, and this is the men clothes. So just to show, let me go maybe just to show what I have here. I've packed for 2 weeks. Maybe that's why you're more interested in. It's like you know, 4 dresses, 3 kimonos, yeah, a few t-shirts, couple of shorts, and shirts in here. And it all fit. Like, look how big it is when it's like this. When you close up, there you go. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna compress this as well. You see, it's pretty packed, huh? It's pretty big. These are all my mem clothes, you know, these kind of things here, like this. And luckily, the Philippines is sunny, so you don't have, if you're going to a winter trip, it might be a bit more tricky, but usually when I go to cold places, I just go for the weekend, so I'm also able to take this kind of suitcase. But look, you push in. Ooh. This is just like you get caught into the zipper. But other than that, look. My girls are always shocked. They're like, "How can you pack just a little bag like this?" Because I don't want to faff around. Faff around, very British term that is. If you're not British, I don't watch it. Is this gonna break? It's not gonna break. You see, we're getting there. Woo. Top tips. Packing cube. Look how small it is now compared to before. You see? And that goes here on top. So just try to be a bit more logic. And I have still plenty of space in the suitcase, just to put like some bathroom stuff here and anything. And then you close it. Okay, bag one done. And this is quite a small one. Usually I have more of an expandable that can fit more things, but I broke it. So if you can recommend another one, I'll take it. But this will do for now. It's fitting, because actually luckily I'm not taking a typical camera bag this time. So this bag is like a hiking bag, roller top. And what I'm gonna put here, I have another packing cube here with a few more t-shirts and stuff, pajamas, like night pajama shorts, like a beach towel in here as well. So that's another, it's a medium packing cube. Obviously, like honestly, could not all fit in there. If I had the expandable one, it would have. But yeah, that will go here. And then in this bag, I will put other bits and bobs. Like I'll put my laptop here, and I'll put also my camera cube at the bottom. So there's still space left here to put my camera cube. And then that's it. And then the other little bag, my personal item, will be this bag with another small camera. The camera is filming now, but I have like all my essential, all my how do you call it, memory card, SD card, and everything that is important to me that cannot be in there or there is gonna be in this bag, in the hearth. It's a sling bag, and it's perfect for traveling. And yeah, and that's it. And then a pillow for the plane, I just attach at the top. I'm gonna wear my trainers with me. I don't need hiking boots or anything. And yeah, a rain jacket. But again, that's a foldable rain jacket just in case it rains. But look, it's super flat. It fits anywhere. And then another little bag, like I forgot how you call it, but a small bag to put in your waist, a little waist bag. That's it. And yeah, that's it. You don't need to overpack. You don't need a hair dryer, a hair straightener. All these things are really unnecessary. Like, and with that, you can even take the small planes, because sometimes small planes, they don't like you to have too many luggages. But yeah, that's it. This is all I'm taking for a 2-week trip to the Philippines. So that will make my life easier. And I will wear every single item. And sometimes I even come back with stuff I haven't worn. So I'm going like for 14 days, and I literally have 14 things to wear every day, plus swimwear. And yeah, I have 14 different things to wear. Swimwear, short, nighttime, nightwear. And on the plane, I'm gonna wear my jacket, like a light jacket. So yeah, another tip I would give, like on the plane, you can wear all your heavier stuff, and then you'll be fine. Always take a hoodie with pockets when you go on the plane, especially if you do photography, because you can put the lenses. The lenses, that's what makes the slim bag big. So you can put the lenses there. So yeah, interested in the comment if you will, what do you think about this, and if you are keen to pack light, and let me know if you need any advice. Yeah. So it's travel trivia time. So last week, the question was, in which country do you have this underground 2,000 years old clay warrior? So the country is China. Yep, the clue is in the thumbnail as usual. So this week trivia question is a fun one, because I'm looking up at you. Which country in the world has the most skyscrapers? Which country in the world has the most skyscrapers? Put your question in the comment. It will be in the community tab. And if you're new here, I have a little outro after that. But if you're not, as usual, thanks for watching, and live inspired. Bye! If you're new here, I'm Marlene. I'm a part-time traveler with a full-time job. This channel is just to inspire you to travel more than you think you can, and solo as much as you can. So see you in the next one, and live inspired.